providing remote access with a zero-trust solution, protecting users from internet-based threats, securing your cloud apps, protecting your data wherever it lives. These initiatives often take time to design, deploy, and maintain. But with the Lookout SSE platform, you can accomplish all of this in under 60 minutes. The fully integrated and streamlined SSE platform provides a guided workflow to cover the most common deployment scenarios. Whether you are looking to block phishing and malware attacks, add data protection to your SaaS apps, replace your VPN, or provide zero-trust network access, the guided workflow has you covered. These workflows guide you through the onboarding process, show you how to integrate with your infrastructure, and provides recommended configurations for each scenario. For example, you can protect users from phishing and malware attacks with a few simple clicks. Securing your users, your apps, and your data doesn't have to be hard. Let the Lookout SSE platform be your guide.